You can also rename columns when they run in queries. So let's copy these things just so I can show you the basics here. Let's go to here, remove that, Control V, select name, rename it to act from the act table. Control Enter. As you can see, the name of the column has changed from name to act. Let's go back again and just demonstrate that. This is without the renaming, and here it has select, and it gives you the name column. The header is still name. You can also do as act from act, different syntax, without the quotes. We can even do something like this, name as this act's name. Now this will work fine, and it will change the name of the heading. The problem in Oracle is that this character here is a string delimiter. You've got to be very careful using that. In some circumstances it will allow you to do this, and some it won't. Let's go into the manual quickly and find the syntax for this as clause. We're going to go back into select. We've gone too far back. We'll scroll down. What I'm looking for is query block, and I'm looking for select list, expression, see expression as C alias. I want to go and look at the description for that. I'm looking for expression as C alias. As you can see here in the description of the alias, the as keyword is optional. This is not always the case. Sometimes what happens when you're using queries that involve complexities such as subqueries and the with subquery factoring clause, you need to refer to a column by name. But we'll get to that later on, probably actually in the intermediate level course. The other thing I want to show you is I'm going to go to my blog very briefly. I'm just going to type the address into here, if I can talk and concentrate on that at the same time. I'm going to go to here. It's a little slow. And I want to go to this entry, which you've seen before, which is ASM data files, table spaces, segments, and so on and so forth. I have used strings enclosed in double quotes to rename columns in queries. Note the use of double quotes, and as I said earlier, the use of single quotes to delimit strings. As you can see here, I actually have double quotes referring to a string. In Oracle SQL, the single quote is again used as a string delimiter, and the double quotes characters are used to delimit strings, which are actually names rather than values in table columns themselves. And once again, I'm going to copy and paste this address into this text file so you can have it for later on, just in case you need it. Control V. I'll save that in the work file for this particular movie. So we'll close this.